Flooding everywhere. Lives lost. Farmlands destroyed. Livestock drowned. People rendered homeless. The impact of flooding is far-reaching, but we can do something about it. Obey the provisions of the National Environmental Regulations on flooding, erosion, and sanitation. Don't dump refuse in drains. Let the water flow freely. Don't build on waterways. Otherwise, when the rains come, the effect could be disastrous. Don't damage water lines. Water gives life, but when uncontrolled, it can take lives. Control stormwater from your house properly. Let's do the right thing. Let's protect our environment. Nezria, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for all Nigerians.